Good evening to all. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about Excel, some more tricks. Let's start to open the Excel. So first open it Excel. I have typed already the data. It will help you to do work very easily, and even though you can understand very quickly. That's what I typed the data here. See, I just want to divide the data as in a first name separately and last name separately. For that, what you want to do, you have to use a basic simple method. I'll let you know, it's very easy method to you. First type it the first name of the candidate and last name of the candidate. So I'm just typing here both names and use your keyboard Ctrl+E. You can see all the first names will be appears on your screen. The same way you can use again Ctrl+E. All the last name will be appear on your screen. This is a one trick without using any formula. You can try once. It is definitely useful for you. And the second one is nothing but how to find out the rank of the each student. So here I have given marks based on the percentage of the marks. How can you find out the rank? Is equal to is a sign of Excel and type it rank. The rank, how can you find out? So the percentage, what is the percentage of it? That one you have to do it. So first, what is the percentage here? In which column it was there? B3. You can select it B3, comma. Again I'm selecting B3 to at last columns. Okay, why? Because I need to compare all the students, then rank will be decided, right? So the total number of students based on the score, the rank will be decided. That's what I have selected from B3 to B17, and you can close it. That you can click on enter. The rank of the Deep is 3. Hope you understand how to find out the rank. So use drag option here. Automatically you may get to know your rank. Hope you understand it, how to find out the rank. And the next one is a very important one. If you are a student, when you are logging to the school, when you have to log out the school, sometimes you may go late. You have to find out the timing in between in Excel. It will be difficulty to you. So I will tell you today very simple formula to find out. Suppose if you are an employee, what is your login time and what is your logout time? You have to find out, you have to calculate. By doing manual, it will take long time. In Excel, by using a single formula, very simple formula, you can find out the data. Equal to is a sign of Excel. Text, I am typing. Why? Because this is a text, so that I am going to type it here. Text of mode. With using the mode formula, you have to find out this particular data. First I am going to select it mode of text, mode of what do you want to do it? This logout time minus and login time, as well as what you want to do 1. So that means how many times you are doing? Only one time, right? You are going to log in one time, you are going to log out one time. So that I have given the number should be 1. In between that I am giving comma. I just want to find out hours. In between of quotations I am giving hours as well as minutes. So H in the sense hours and M in the sense minutes. You can close that by using quotations. Click on enter. See, 13 hours you as worked here. The working hours of the particular person Deep is 13 hours. The same way you can drag out here. See the every person hours, how many hours they work, you may find it very easily. Hope you understand these tricks will be very useful for you. By the way, another person asked me in the last video in the comment section, how can we use desktop icons in the large, small, medium? Is there any shortcut key for that? They asked. For that I am going to explain in this video only that even. So use in your keyboard Ctrl+Shift+1. When you are using here, first you need to click on the desktop, Ctrl+Shift+1. You can see the icons become a large, and if you want to make it icons will be medium size. Again same shortcut key Ctrl+Shift+2. Automatically your icons become as a medium size. If you want normal default sizes, Ctrl+Shift+3. This is a small size. If you want very small size, you can utilize Ctrl+Shift+4. So I guess the last comment session would solved, I guess. If you have many more queries, please comment in the below section. I can able to help you. Thank you for subscribing, liking, sharing. So if you are subscribing more, I can able to help you. I can solve your queries. Thank you. Have a nice day.